Hi guys, we're really excited because I just received this shoe rack for purposes. It comes with the instruction manual and all the pieces that you need to assemble it, which I think it's great. It also comes with this pair of white gloves to, well, assemble it. So let's go ahead and assemble it. Let's see how it looks when it's already assembled up and how it looks with stuff in it. Okay, so come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly process is really easy. It doesn't take that much long, and something that I find quite nice about the assembly is that it doesn't need any screw or anything. The pieces just assembled together, and I think it's really nice. It's really easy to assemble it, and you can do it by your own. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already assembled up. It has many different hooks to hang different things. I hanged some caps, some belts, a scarf, and as you can see, I have plenty of room to place my shoes, which I think it's really nice. It makes it a little bit more organized and, well, really compact, not having the shoes laying all around the floor, which I think it's great. And overall, I like it a lot. As I've said, it was quite easy to assemble it, and I think it's perfect for wherever you need it. I think it's going to do an amazing work. You can have it at your entrance door or in your bedroom, however you like it. But overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.